वेलकम बैक टू गो टू कॉर्टेक्स। आज हम करने वाले हैं APIs एक्सप्लोरर ऐप इंजन लैब। सो फर्स्ट क्लिक स्टार्ट लैब। नेक्स्ट हम इसे क्लाउड कंसोल विंडो में ओपन करेंगे। क्लिक आई अंडरस्टैंड। Click I agree and continue and close the tutorial. Next onto the task 1, you have to build an app engine application with apps create. So सबसे पहले हमें इस API को enable करना होगा। So copy this, search it here. अगर पहले से enabled है तो हमें कुछ नहीं करना है, वापस आ जाना है। Now next, you have to open this link. Incognito window. Now next, come back here. We have to try this method. So copy your project ID, click ID, paste your project ID, and next, after this, click location ID, then enter US West 1. For my lab, it is US West 1. For you, it could be something different. Click execute, choose your account, the one that is given by Google, click allow, and it is executed successfully. Now come back here. And next, we will go to this link, incognito window. In the apps ID, we have to enter the project ID that we copied earlier. We have to make sure that these checkboxes are done, and now we have to click execute. It is also done. What did it ask you? To download the starter code. So to run these commands, to run the Cloud Shell, click activate Cloud Shell here. Click continue, maximize, and authorize. Next, come back here, copy these commands in sequence and run them. To run this command, change the directory. Now to the task 4, we have to run these commands. First, remove this part from the command, paste your project ID, hit enter, and run this command. Enter capital Y, Command is complete. We will come back here. Now we can just run this. However, it is not really necessary. Click check my progress. It's completed. Come to the task 5. We have to now open this link in incognito window. The next, the apps ID, we have to enter the project ID. In the request body, we have to add first the source range property. Enter star. Then next, we have to enter the action property and set it to deny. And next, we have to add the priority property and change into 1. It should look like this. Next, click execute. Completed. Next, we will open this link in incognito window. For the apps ID, we will enter the project ID again. Next, we will just execute it. It's completed. Next, we will run the next link incognito window. For the apps ID, you have to enter the project ID again. Ingress rules ID, you have to enter 1 as given here. And next, you have to click execute again. Yes, we got the output. Next, the task 6 is to update application files. Copy this from here. Run it in the Cloud Shell. Paste it here. Now we have to edit it so it says goodbye world instead of whatever is written there. So copy this goodbye world properly along with the exclamation mark. This, paste it here. Add the double inverted commas. You do Control X, Y, then hit enter. Next on the task 7, we have to create a new version of our application with app.services.versions.create. So we have to go to the buckets, minimize, search buckets. Here it is. Now to copy the staging bucket, you just simply click on it and copy it. Now open this direct link. For the apps ID, you have to again enter the project's ID. Now here we have to enter default in small case. Next, we have to add ID, then enter v1. Next, runtime, enter Python 313. Next, add the entry point. Then add the shell. Now it should be looking like this. Now we have to add the deployment property. Come back here. This plus add deployment. And within the deployment, add files. Here, enter test. Extend this course URL. Copy this command first, paste it here. Now I have the JSON, sorry, it has the bucket name. So we will replace it first. If it is not here, we can just simply go back here, copy this again, and paste it here. Next, for the JSON file name, as you can see here, go to the application JSON file. There's the application JSON file. Click on it. Now copy this, back here, actually come back here, then remove this part, replace it with this, then click execute, and it's completed. Next, the task 8 is to deploy the new version of application. Copy this, come back here, click restore, maximize, paste it here, then enter Y. It's complete. Come back here in this lab, click check my progress. Congratulations, this lab is complete. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Now you can just simply end this lab.